I'm Piet Dosje. I'm the owner and founder of COREtec. I remember starting in flooring 34 years ago, and I met an older gentleman and he told me, I've been in this industry for 22 years. And I thought, oh my God, you poor man. Flooring per se is not that sexy. It's not a sexy thing. You know, it's not like all the gadgets and all the things that everybody wants, but it's a beautiful thing. And you have to walk on it, and everybody walks on the floor. And it makes a statement when you come in a home, when you come in an office, when you come in a hotel. A good product so that the consumer says, wow, not only is it beautiful, but it performs. It's something that I can take into my household, and my kids and my husband and my dogs and my whatever, they can work and live on it and play on it, and it doesn't matter. It performs. And that's what we did with COREtec. When I started, I didn't really have a lot of money, and the money I had, I wanted to put in the business. So why spend it on expensive furniture? So we bought 2 filing cabinets and a door, put it on top of the filing cabinets, and that was it in the guest bedroom. And my garage was full of samples. The years went by, we kept on building the company. We saw the evolution of LVT, luxury vinyl flooring, coming into the market. We wanted to be part of that, and this was the basis of COREtec. I really think we have a unique culture here, and it's because the whole team that we have, they've seen how we build it from scratch. They've seen how we build it from a small company. They've seen how we struggled in the beginning, how we created something that really revolutionized the industry. And everybody's so proud of it, and they can all be very proud of it because they were all part of creating it. And that's an energy level in the company that is second to none. And I must say, I've been very, very blessed with having them all part of my team, and that's why we have been successful. It's the people that make the difference. We're number one right now in waterproof flooring. I mean, COREtec is the brand, no question about it, and we've created something unique and something which has quite a momentum, and it's only the beginning. I mean, we've seen the tip of the iceberg. No matter what you do, the consumer wants a beautiful floor. That's first and foremost, creating beauty. Then you need to create performance. Then you need to create something that's easy to maintain. And there's nothing easier than COREtec to maintain. It's a waterproof floor. You know, you can spill anything on it. It's not going to harm it. I've been in flooring for 34 years. I don't know anything else. I mean, that's all I've done. Okay, but I'm proud of it. In 1978, I was 18 years old. I came tobacco harvesting in Canada. And with the money that we made, we could either go back to Belgium or we could travel to the United States. And I traveled to the United States and I said, oh my God, this was the first time I had set foot outside of Europe. Came to the United States and said, oh my God, this country's got it. I told my parents when I came back to Belgium, I said, one day, as soon as I can, I want to go and live and work in the United States, because the energy level here, the opportunity here was second to none. So when I had the opportunity to come, I came. I always believe when you make that effort, don't just go through the motions. Try to live the dream, try to create the dream. And that's what we did. And this story it's not just my story. It's a story, yeah, maybe that I sparked, but a story that a lot of people embraced, a story that at the end of the day, yes, became my American dream. And it's something that I always believed in, that in 1978, for the first time when I came, I said, one day I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna build my dream. And COREtec is a dream. I'm Piet Dosje. I'm the owner and founder of COREtec. I've been in the industry for 34 years. I'm proud to be an American.